Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the portable 2-in-1 miniature vacuum. But don't let the mini size fool you, because this has all the power you need. Plus, it could get into those tight spaces that normal vacuums can't fit in. Now, what I love is that this vacuum comes with a handful of really useful attachments, like this crevice tool. Now, this is going to be great for cleaning, especially in your car, like in and around the car seats, in the cup holders, and those other tight spaces that are really hard to reach. Now, don't just stop at your car, because this is great for all around the house, like cabinets and drawers, cat litter, and even under furniture. Now, if you live in an especially dusty environment or need to clean something that's a little bit stuck on, you're gonna love the brush tool. And with the 65,000 R suction rating, anything that gets dislodged is gonna get sucked right up into the vacuum. And one of my favorite places I use this is in my vents around my home and in the car. Now, another thing that I really like about this vacuum is that all the air that gets sucked up passes through a washable HEPA filter, which not only keeps the dust from resettling into the environment, but also keeps the air cleaner to breathe. Now, this next feature has to be one of my favorites because I'm a huge fan of canned air duster. But with this vacuum, you don't have to spend money on that anymore because the air output actually doubles as a blower. All you're gonna do is take this third attachment and it will fit snugly in the output. Now, I like to use this especially for my keyboards, my cameras, and all other types of things, especially my electronics. And unlike the canned air, this is never gonna run out and is much less wasteful. Now, if you're like me, you're probably gonna use this all the time, especially because it's so compact and portable. You'll also appreciate that it's completely cordless, and you won't have to spend money on batteries because it's completely rechargeable. Now, if you've never used one of these before, I highly recommend picking one up because you'll be surprised how useful and handy these come in. Now, we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, and we have a buy more, save more deal. So head on over there and grab a few today.